Hello friends, today we start the topic is sets. Okay, what is the set? Set is clearly decide to the object of collection, then that collection is called set. Understood? That collection is called set. Example, set example, you know, bunch of keys. The bunch having more than keys. Group, the keys group is what? This is set. Understood? There is many numbers, many keys is called what? Set. Understood? One more example. Days of week. Understood? Days of week. Week having 7 days. These 7 days, what is this? A group. Understood? This group is called what? Set. Clear? Next is method of writing sets. Question: methods of writing sets. Method of writing sets. There is two types. First is listing or roster method. Listing or roster method. Second is rule method. Understood? What is a listing method? Listing method means there is a list. Understood? There is a list. You know, day of week having 7 days. 7 days is what? This group is called what? Listing method. It's called what? Listing method. Listing method having, I give one example. There is a listing method having more than elements, but those elements are repeated. Then write down only one time. Got it? I give one example, one set of example, how to write down in listing method and how to write down rule method. Example is even natural number less than 15. Example is even natural number less than 15. Got it? How to write down in listing method? There is example listing method. First write down A. There is A is what? This is set, because first this write down A in biggest number. Set is write down in big letter. Understood? Then equal sign, then curly bracket you can write here. And what the question is? Even natural number less than 15. Even natural is more, but what a question? Less than 15. Understood? Less than 15 is 16 is more. Understood? Then write down what is the natural number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Got it? Then bracket will be closed. Okay? This is which form? This is listing form. Understood? This is a listing form. How to write down rule method? Rule method, how to write down? Then rule method write down here. Rule method. They also first denoted set A is equal to, then bracket, then write down x such that x is an even natural number, even natural number less than 15. Got it? Understood? What is the listing method? How to write down? how to write down rule method. You got it? So student, today we start practice set 1.1. Got it? First is question is write the following sets in roster form. Roster form means what? Listing method. Listing method. Got it? First question is set of even natural number. Set of even natural number. There is more than natural number. Understood? There is more than even natural number. But then how to write down in listing method? Write down here. First, what is the write down? Listing method having first write down the set. This is set A is equal to, then bracket, even natural number is what? Even natural number is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. There are many numbers, then we denoted dot because there is more than numbers. Okay. Next is set of even prime number from 1 to 50. There is an even prime number from 1 to 50. Prime number is what? Prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. But question is what? There is an even. Question is what? There is an even prime number. Even prime number. Evens means there is 2. Only 2, because 2 is a even prime number from 1 to 50. Then write down here set. You can write down B also. 2. Clear? Understood? Next is set of negative integer. Set of negative integer. You know graph having, you can see graph. This is graph. There is a point is 0, but there is a positive number and there is a negative numbers. Got it? There is a negative number. This negative number is called what? Negative integer. Negative integer. Then write here, we denoted by C is equal to curly bracket. You can write down -1, -2, -3 and dot. You can also write down here -1, -2, -3 and dot put here. Okay, this is also right. Last question is 7 basic sounds of a sargam. You know 7 basic of sound. What is the? Write down here first. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. There is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got it? Next question. Write the following symbolic statement in words. Only write down in statement in words. How to write down? There is 4/3 belongs to Q. This is what? This is belongs. Q is what? This is set. Okay. And 4/3 is what? This is the element. Q is also denoted by rational number. Set of rational number. Understood? Then how to write down in words? Then write down 4/3. 4/3 is an elements of Q. Element set of Q. Set Q. Next is -2. Same. This is an elements, and this is a question is not belongs to n. Not belongs to n. Understood? This is a set. This is a natural number. Then write down here -2 is not an element of set n. Clear? Next is P is equal to P such that P is an odd number. How to write down? Then write down here. Let P, got it? Let P is a set. Is a set. P is a what? This is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. Odd number. Clear? Okay. Next question is question number third. Write any two sets by using listing and rule method. Any two sets. You can write down. This is also, and we question number 1 also you can write down. One question will be write down there is listing and rule method. Okay, any two example. Got it? Then I write down example is first example. Write down in listing method. How to write down? A is equal to bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How to write down in rule method? A is equal to bracket x such that x is what? Is an even natural number. Even natural number less than 15. Got it? You look here, there is listing method, this is rule method. Only example, two example. One is over, and second is A is equal to, A is what? Set. Okay, A is equal to D I V S comma O comma N. Okay, and listing method having comma right hand. Clear? How to write in converted into rule method? Rule method is converted. A is equal to x such that x is a letter of the word which word? Division. There is comma, then bracket will be closed. Got it? Understood? Next question is write the following sets using listing method. Using listing method. First question is what? All month in the Indian solar year. All month in the Indian solar year. You know solar years what? How to write down? First write down in here. Which method? Listing method. A is equal to then bracket Chaitra bracket comma Vaishak Chet Ashad Shravan Bhadra Ashwin Kartik Agrayan Posh Magh Falgu. Got it? This is what? This is the Indian solar year. Got it? Second question is letter in the word complement. Understood? How to write down? First write down a set. A is equal to and bracket. You know there is, this is elements. Okay, you know 2 times elements we can write down only 1. Okay, those number we repeated only write down 1 times. There is C comma O comma N comma P comma L comma E comma and repeated repeat M. Okay, then not written here. Then next is E also repeated. Then next is N comma last is T and bracket will be closed. This is your answer. Next is set of human sensory organs. You know what is the human sensory organs? Skin, eyes, nose, ears, tongue. Understood? Then write down here. You can any words write down here. But this is a big letter. Okay, this is set. Okay, then write down here nose, eyes, ears, tongue, and last is skin. Got it? Next is set of prime number from 1 to 20. Set of prime number from 1 to 20. Write down here prime number 1 to 20. You know what is the prime number? Prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and last is 19. Okay, clear? Next question is name of constituent of the world. Then I writing here is equal to, there is Asian, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and last is North America. Got it? Question number 4 is over. Next question is question number 5. Got it? Write the following sets using rule method. Using rule method. This is one using listing method. Understood? And this is which method? This is the rule method. How to write down? A is equal to bracket 1 comma 4 9 comma 16 comma 25 comma 36 comma 49 comma 64 comma 81 comma and last is 100. How to write down? I first write down a set A is equal to and bracket. This is what? This is the, I assume this is letter is x such that x such that x is equal to what? N square. N is what? N is, I am putting the n value is 1 2 3. Then write down here n belongs to n. N is what? This is a natural number. This is a natural number. Got it? N belongs to n. N is what? This is, I put the value of n is equal to what? There is value of put x is equal to n square. X n value is put 1, then 1 square will be 1. And there is put is value of 2, then 2 square will be, there is 4. Got it? How to write down this here? Okay, then last is what is number 100. 100, then we will write here n greater than equal to 10 and bracket will be closed. How to greater than equal 10? Because there is only 10 numbers, not 11. Okay. Next is b is equal to, question next, b is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42 and 48. There is comma also. Understood? Then write down here b is equal to and bracket. You can write down only this is a 6th table also. Then you can write down x such that x is a 6th table. Also this is write down. You can also one type or more, x such that x is equal to 6n. There I will assuming 6n. Why? Because there is 6 into 1 6. 6 into 2 is what? 12. Then next is n belongs to n. Got it? But there is n is greater than 9. Okay? Greater than 9. Next is c is equal to bracket x comma n comma I comma l comma e. This is the word, this form, and write down this form. How to write down? Then write down here c is equal to the bracket and x divided by x such that x is what? Is a letter. Is a is a letter in the word smile. In the word smile, and bracket will be closed. Bracket will be closed. Fourth is D is equal to Sunday, comma, Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma, Thursday, comma, Friday, comma, and Saturday. How to write down? This is what week names, and this write down here. Then this is set. Set is what? D is equal to the bracket. Then next is X, such that X is a week names, is a day of week. Yeah, week names also you can write down, is a day of week. Understood? Next, last is X is equal to A comma E comma T, and bracket will be closed. This is what? This is also a words. Then write down here X is equal to, then bracket, X such that X is a letter in the word. Which letter in the word? This is what? It. Then bracket will be closed. Okay, 1.1 will be over. So guys, you can like this video, you can like and subscribe the video and share your friends. Thank you.